What up, what up, what up, guys? It's your boy the Bartist. Right now I'm here at Blue Mall. How you guys doing? I'll see you guys in a minute. But anyways, so today I'm doing a photo shoot for a family.
We can go.
Wow, this is nice for real. Wow. Oh, so that's what they did. So we're on the shoot. That's the family in the back. Nice people, you know. And they picked a secluded beach. I never been to this beach before, so should be really fun. A little more? Okay, yeah, just a little more. Perfect. So right now I'm here out of the sun. It's really hot, really hot. And a plane is coming in, so we're gonna check it out. I don't know if it's a big one, but it might be, who knows. So right now the plane is about to take off. Well, it's coming down the runway right there, and everybody's standing over here. I'm back into his house. It's so hot, I had to come back in. I wasn't in for all of that heat, but later I'm gonna go exercise. I just finished cleaning the bike. She is clean, she is fine, she is looking good. Today is the following day, you know what I'm saying? And you know, of course it's gonna be raining when I have to travel, like tomorrow. Look, there's a river. I mean, look at that. A river is flowing. I'm supposed to be traveling to Holland tomorrow. It's gonna be a long flight. I think it's gonna be like 17 hours of straight flight, you know what I'm saying? So I'll be in by the following day. My aunt and my cousin is coming to pick me up, but hopefully the weather keeps up. Not like this, but it's good.